you want to create an image or you want to edit an image for your company or your personal use in IG or YouTube or TikTok. And so you Google it, you go to the internet, you search AI tools to create image, you find plenty of it, and you click on these videos. Welcome to KCAI. This is a channel to teach you how to use the AI tools in the simplest and easiest way. I do think in 2024, this year, AI tools should be used by everybody and should be understood by everybody. In these videos, you will learn two things. The first thing is to create an image by AI, which we're going to use Leonardo AI. And the second thing is to edit an image in Leonardo AI. By the way, this video is sponsored by nobody. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing that you may want to do is go to Google or a search bar to search Leonardo AI. In order to do so, you type in Leonardo AI and then click on it. And the first thing that you have to do is to log in into your account. So this time I'm going to choose Google account to log in. And then you here come into the front page of Leonardo AI. Down here you will see image creation of AI tools. Click on it. And you will see multiple function here in settings that you have to use it later on. First thing you have to be aware of is the button here. You have to choose your image style first. For example, like an anime style, a photography style, art style. For today, because we're just gonna be a tutorial classes, we're gonna use the Phoenix style, which is the default one. By the way, if you don't know which style that you should use, just click on the default one. It will be generated later on with a default style that you may want it. And after, you can click edit and edit the image if you want. Second thing is to click the dimension that you wanted, because beware of the dimension. Every platform they use different one. For example, like YouTube or really different to the TikTok style. So you may choose the one dimension that you wanted. And how many the image that you wanted to generate in the same time. So for this time, we're going to generate a single image just have a look how it does. And here the text bar that you wanted is to type in your prompts here. So beware of prompts is I think it's the most important things to create an image. You can treat prompt as like your thoughts first. Like for example, before if you want to create an image, you have to think of which kind of image is it, which style and which kind of elements has to be included in the image. In this time, we're going to create a duck. As simple as this. Click on generate it and it will generate a prompts for you. So the machine learning is here they understand the word that you wanted and they generate a random seed that you may like it. And here we go, you have generated a duck image. So I think you may want to click it here and choose stock photography style in order to get a realistic image here. Or you just press it realistic, whatever. Because sometimes the machine doesn't know which kind of image that you wanted. So you may want it to create more image based on the prompts that you type it. Which just means that more prompts that you type it in, more details you give it to the AI, it will more understand which kind of image that you want. It's like they're telling somebody to draw an image for you, you have to give it more details for him in order to do so. Here you go. So this is more realistic than the other one. In the right hand corner here, there is a legacy mode. Click on it and we change the interface into the other one. And here you can select and setting for there's another setting for another, for example, like how large the image you want it to be, and is it wanted to be a real photo settings. Is there any other style or the model that you wanted to do so? Is it an anime creative like the one that we used before, or it's just a still image? Here you can always use image guidance in order to you can see I used it before as well, in order to use image based on the image that you uploaded before. Anyway, we don't have the duck image here, so we're not going to use it today. But if you have an image on your hand or on your computer that you wanted to create an image based on that image, you can here and upload your image here and change the strength that you want, how much elements based on the image that you uploaded. Here's come to the second part, is the real-time generation. So you can generate pictures here depends on the prompt that you type in real time. For example, again, I type in duck. So it comes to image here and prompts out a duck image for me. So I want it to be a anime. And it will prompt out an anime style duck for me. So, and you can click it here for a random seed and you can generate random style of the image that you wanted. And maybe I would like to change back to a photography style. I want a still image, and it will generate the duck image for me here. And you can change plenty of it. So this is a new tools from Leonardo AI. Before they don't have it, they only have the old style, which is the legacy mode that we used before. But I found it quite useful for it. And here also you can select the elements that you wanted. You have 4 elements here. You can always click on it and try it. For example, the kid illustration. I just changed the kid illustration a little bit more. And the image will immediately change it to like a more kid-friendly style. And as well, if you wanted to change it as a color book, you can as well change the image into like a color book style, or make it as a negative, so it would turn it into more reality style instead of the color book style. You can as well mix 2 elements in the same time, but I'm not recommend you to do so because it will mix it makes the AI a little bit more confused with the image that you wanted. So I would say if you want the style, which kind of style that you wanted, just type in the prompts. For example, like duck with anime style. In a anime style. And it will change to an anime style. As simple as that. But also you can always change it here as an anime style to make it more accurate into a anime style. If you like this video, click the like button there, I think, and as well you see the 3 dots here, or here you can see the 3 dots here. Make sure to click the 3 dots and click save button. You will need it in the future for a reference. Alright, coming to the next part is the editing from the Leonardo AI. Actually, there is a canvas editor for you to edit the image that you created. But I would say it's better if you use the other tools to edit the image rather than using the Leonardo AI. For example, like a Photoshop. Photoshop editing is like absolutely perfect. So, but give it a try. Actually, the canvas editor is not that bad, but you use the other tools, it's more likely they know what you wanted to do rather than using the Leonardo AI. Click on Canvas Editor under AI Tools, and then you comes to here with a square. So 3 parts of the editing for the Canvas editor here. The first thing here is you see a toolbar here. Second, the image area or the editor area here. And the third one is the setting area here. Okay, so for example, I upload the image. We're gonna use the duck again. Click on it, and the image will pump out here. And you can use the first toolbars to move the image around, and the second toolbar to select the area that based on you want to add it, let's say. So I'll just go on, for example, like here. One thing that's really important is to draw a mask here. Draw a mask here. I just quickly draw a mask here, and then I check all my details. Like here, at the string, everything's correct. Type it here at a baby duck, and generate All right, so oh, there's a baby duck here. So I accept it. So the new image will include a baby duck here. So but the same thing is you have to tell the machine, and you have to tell the AIs that how detailed you want it to be the images. For example, like add the baby duck in a yellow color, add a baby duck with glasses on it. You have to tell more details. I would suggest you to think of the prompts before to create the image, and then click the generate button, because when you click the generate button, it costs you the credit that they give it to you. But I mean, it gives you a free credit when you first registration, so no problem with it. Go ahead, try it. I love Leonardo AI. I always use Leonardo AI because it gives you different style of created. For example, like an anime style, like a realistic style. It's very good tools for you. Here is I have some videos created before. It's actually a music videos, but actually the image is created by Leonardo AI. Go ahead, look about it. And if you have some question about it, leave a comment below and I will get back to you very, very soon.